Good morning, students. My name is Ayushi Dubey. Today we are discuss computer network and information security. Introduction to computer network. Networks were utilized to facilitate data transmission fast and amongst numerous computers. Through them, people, government, and society at large can explore and have unlimited access to the available information and resources, interact and engage with other people, and conduct their business speedily. Uses of computer network. There are multiple uses for a computer network, including communication. Through computer networks, individuals and organizations can collaborate with using communication channels that may include email, chat, and video conferencing. Second, resource sharing. These bags are a boon to users since they provide a way to share the information. What is computer network? Computer socially linked in a computer network are the group of computers that use this network to transfer resources as well as information. The main management of computer network is performed to facilitate communication. Computer creators share materials for everywhere, provide access remotely, and also work together. Computer systems are networks in the minds of businesses, educational organizations, and individuals who consider this technology to communicate and retrieve resources. Person to person communication. Person to person communication in a computer network involves two or more people communication with each other while sending and receiving data through devices like computers, smartphone, and services. Key components: message, sender, receiver, transmission medium, and protocols. Electronic commerce. E-commerce in a computer network is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet facilitated by technologies like websites, mobile apps, and secure payment systems. Types of computer networks are: first, broadcast access network. A broadband access network is a computer network that provides high-speed, always-on internet access using a wide bandwidth transmission. These networks transmit data at speed faster than traditional dial-up, enabled applications like video streaming, file downloading, and online gaming. Common technologies for broadband access include DSLA, cable, fiber optics, satellite, and wireless. Mobile and wireless network. Wireless simply means without any wire, connecting with other devices without any physical connections. Wireless computing is transferring the data or information between computers or devices that are not physically connected to each other and having a wireless network connection. For example, mobile devices, Wi-Fi, wireless printers and scanners, etc. And our last topic is network technology. First is personal area network. PAN is the most basic type of computer network. It is a type of network designed to connect a device within a short range, typically around one person. It always your personal devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearable to communicate and share data with each other. PAN offers a network range of 1 to 10 meters from person to device, providing communication. Its speed is very high with very easy maintenance and very low cost. Example of PAN are Bluetooth connections between a phone and wireless earbuds, infrared communication between TV and remote. LAN area network. LAN is the most frequently used network. It is a computer network that connects computer through a common communication path contained within a limited area, that is locally. Metropolitan Area Network (MAN). A MAN is a larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. This is a type of computer network that connects computers over a geographical distance through a shared communication path over a city, town, or metropolitan area. This network mainly uses FDDI, CDDI, and ATM as the technology with a range from 5 kilometer to 50 kilometer. Its transmission speed is average. It is difficult to maintain and it comes with a high cost. Example of man are networking in towns, cities, a single large city, a large area within multiple buildings, etc. Wide area network WAN. WAN is a type of computer network that connects computers over a large geographical distance through a shared communication path. It is a not restrained to a single location but extends over many locations. WAN can also be defined as a group of local area networks that communicate with each other with a range about 50 km. Here we use leased line and dial-up technology. Its transmission speed is very low and it comes with very high maintenance and very high cost. Examples of WAN are the internet, largest WAN, banking networks linking global warming. Thank you.